Big Boy Toys car audio. We do them custom lights for you. Custom flow on the bodies. Another light showing a 2006 GMC 5500 hauler. Cause also say, need to make sure he see his trailer hitch. It's fifth wheel. Yeah, we got the lights dancing in the back. Also, we got the pod lights. We light it up for you. Also, we added some more extra pod lights down here for reverse. Big Boy Toys cardio. Yeah, we make another video of the audio. Full audio installed also in this thing. TV, Roku stick. Not Roku stick, Roku TV also in this truck also. Done by Big Boy Toys. So, we do it all. Inverter was installed. Yeah, truck has Roku. We'll show the audio off a little later. Big Boy Toys car audio.